So this video is for anybody who thinks that just spend all day on a mower. Not the case. Never is. Not that I haven't put in at least 4 seasons of just weed eating and blowing off everything, but the years are behind me and I'm a much better person for it. This is a huge yard, beautiful property, and they have a pond on the other side of that, those reeds. So it's dry. Now we have to clear it out. Can't mow there, it's super muddy. Weed eater's the only tool for the job. Now a weed eater is supposed to be like an extension of yourself. Should be able to pick it up any job, be able to use it as versatile as you would a fork. But as you see in this video, we did more than you would usually do, but it all works out in the end. Now it looks really crummy. It looks like everything's just laid down. Why would you want your yard to look like that? We blew off everything afterwards, and it looked as pristine as the hills in the back there. So, just another day.